already made some packaging. This is with the plastic. This is my donut. It's got a barcode. It kind of smudged because it's Japan. It's pizza with the clean film. It's a bit squishy and the back of that's the back of that's different. And this is another one with plastic and another bit squishy. And this is to collect a cloud, rainbow, and panda. I've only made the rainbow one though. Okay. So first, what you want to do is get your squishy. Which one do I want? Aha! I'm gonna have this squishy. It's from Smiggle as well. And guys, I also put a little bit of tape, only a little bit at the back as like a little tab so you can open it. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you make this packaging with your squishy in it and the tab thing, make sure to, post a video about it on the channel and then comment on this video that you have and I will check it out and like it and comment something like it's so cool or anything. So also thank you guys so much for watching, and also I have 2 shout outs. I will tell you them when I get the sheet of paper. Okay, so the shout outs are Towers Road and Midnight Wolfie with AGPW. Bye!